Welcome to Cooking with the Cook Sisters, brought to you by the United States Botanic Garden. We're very pleased to be with you regularly to offer online cooking demonstrations and home garden tips. Hi, I'm Danielle Cook. You can't get through summer without craving the cooling effects of a crisp cucumber. And today we're going to use them in a spicy and cooling salad. Then the other cook sister, Adrienne, will show us how her cucumber care is coming along. There are many varieties of cucumbers, a tropical plant that originated in Southeast Asia. They range in length and their skin ranges in color. These small ones are called Persian cucumbers and are great for snacking. I'm going to use an English cucumber, also known as a seedless cucumber, for today's salad. No cucumber is seedless, but with this variety, the seeds are so small you don't even notice them. I'll cut the cucumber into small dice, put them in a colander, and add a little sea salt. Sprinkling with a little salt will help extract the water from the cucumbers. Once salted, I'll give the cucumbers a little shake and let them sit for about 30 minutes to drain. For the dressing, I'll start by grinding up some Sichuan peppercorns. Sichuan peppercorns are actually not related to either chili peppers or black pepper. They come from the prickly ash shrub, which is in the citrus family, native to China and Taiwan. The aroma has been likened to lavender. The first taste slightly bitter, then a numbing heat takes over, and a citrus flavor finishes the tasting experience. You can buy Sichuan peppercorns at Asian markets and at specialty spice purveyors. I'll mince a little jalapeno pepper as well. You could use serrano instead. I'll start with 1 clove of garlic, and then add our peppers and a little sugar, soy sauce, unseasoned rice vinegar, the ground Sichuan peppercorns. And once that's well whisked, I'll add some sesame oil. I also like to add chopped peanuts to the salad for added crunch. Our cucumbers have been sitting for a little while, so let's take a look. You can see their color has darkened and some of the liquid has drained away. I'll add the cucumbers into the dressing. And I'll add a nice amount of chopped cilantro and the peanuts. This is such a great cooling summer dish. You can make this salad with any variety of cucumber. In fact, let's go see what Adrienne's got growing.
Hi, I'm Adrienne. Welcome to my garden. What happens if you're all excited about showing off your cucumbers and then disaster strikes? You gotta have a plan B. Let's go take a look. Such was the sad state of affairs for my cucumbers back in early July. The marauders were either deer or groundhogs, and they did a good job on eating those leaves. So I took a trip to the other cook sister. Look at Danielle's cucumbers. This is what I wish mine looked like. Look at this. Oh, wait a minute, let me grab it. Look at this. So this hopefully is what your cucumber looks like. We're going to talk a little bit about how to get there. The cucumber fruits start with a mass of brilliant yellow blooms. Look out, every one of these is going to turn into a cucumber. A good trellis or a sturdy cage are a must for cucumber growing. So is keeping those ripe and ready cucumbers picked. They grow best in plenty of sunshine. And with sunshine, they bounce back from adversity. Well, after some days of being under lock and key, the cucumber plant seems to have revived itself, and it's on a roll. Thanks for visiting today. Join us next week when we're going to be doing a whole program on summer tomatoes. I can't wait. We'll see you then.